Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet scarf, and I used a J hook with a chain count of 150. The pattern is down below in the description and in the comments, and I will have a playlist of crochet scarves if you'd like to take a look at that. And I did about 22 rows with impeccable medium worsted yarn, and I used one skein and about a quarter of another skein of yarn. Okay, so let's get started. You can place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. There's a link down below for that. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and do a chain count of 150, but this is just a sample, so I only did 20. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn over, and pull through 2 loops, and then single crochet in each stitch until you get to the end. The next row, you're going to not turn your work, and you're going to work on the opposite side. You're going to insert your hook in the stitch, grab your yarn, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then insert your hook in the same stitch, grab the yarn, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through the 3 loops, and then just repeat that. So in the same stitch, grab the yarn, and then in the next stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through the 3 loops. Repeat that until you get to the end. Okay, you're going to just repeat the pattern here, and grab a yarn and pull through all 3 loops, and then in the last stitch, create a single crochet. This is the pattern. From now on, you'll repeat it, and I did this for 22 rounds. You can do it wider if you'd like. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through all 3 loops. And this is all repeat. Go into the same stitch, go into the next stitch, and pull through all 3 loops, and then go in that same stitch. And just repeat that until you get to the end. It's a pretty easy pattern for a scarf. Okay, I'm at the last row, and I'm going to work my single crochet, yarn over, and pull through. And then I'll take my yarn needle and weave in my ends. I hope you enjoyed this crochet scarf tutorial, and the pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.